Hey everyone, as you may or may not already know, we at Cardo have updated our entire product line to now be able to have a true native Bluetooth intercom pairing with any Sena headset running on Bluetooth 4.1 or higher. So let's get right to it. I'll show you how to pair these two headsets for intercom. All right, here we have the Cardo Spirit HD and the Sena 30K. Let's go ahead and turn on the Spirit HD. And we'll turn on the Sena 30K. And on the Cardo, we'll just go to normal Bluetooth intercom pairing mode.
Rider A pairing.
And we'll do the same on the Sena, its native Bluetooth intercom pairing mode. Just press and hold the jog dial.
Intercom pairing.
And we wait for them to pair.
Rider A ready.
Perfect, these two units are connected for intercom. We can hear that through the speakers. Now I can close the intercom from the Cardo side. They're now disconnected. I can open the intercom session from the Sena side by a single tap of the jog dial. Intercom is now open. Of course, I can close it. And last, I can open the intercom from the intercom side as well. Easy as that. These two units are now connected for intercom and ready to go. We know that that's been one of the most requested features. And to be able to pick any Cardo that you want, pair it up with your buddy, even though they chose that other unit, it's a big deal. It's your feedback that's the source for these advancements. So keep the feedback coming. We're not done yet, and know that we're committed to making that connection process as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time.